store. I saw your face and that's the last I've seen of my heart. It's not so much a pretty thing to say, it's not the things you do, it's more than special when you look at me.
Don't stop it.
You are the woman that I've always dreamed of, I knew it from the start. I saw your face and that's the last I've seen of my heart. It's not so much your pretty face I see, it's not the clothes you wear, it's more that special way you look at me that always keeps me there. Oh, you are the woman that I've always dreamed of, I knew it from the start. I saw your face and that's the last I've seen of my heart. It's hard to tell you all the love I'm feeling, that's just not my style. You got a way to set my senses reeling every time you smile. Whoa, you are the woman that I've always dreamed of, I knew it from the start. I saw your face and that's the last I've seen of my heart.
That's lovely. It's like an old, like your old Gibson, you know, the old 38.
It's got a very good electronics setup in it.
It's one of my Limey Cowboy tracks.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
That's lovely. Really nice.
The electronics are very good, so it sounds really good plugged in. Yeah.
From the fire into the frying spending all my nights, all my money going out of town, doing anything to get you off of my mind. When the morning comes, I'm right back where I started again, trying to forget you was just a waste of time. Baby, come back. Any kind of fool could see there was something
moving violation? She's pregnant. Got her. You guys were really good. Good job. I saw that little hip action. Yeah, that was very fast. Just kind of rolling. And,
Yeah, great. Hey, where's Joey Bishop? Joey was dead. That was a good one, Steve.
was that you? Was that was you?
Great show, guys. Really enjoyed it. Thank you.
It was great. Take a picture with it.
Yeah, but it's okay. I want to give you. All right. You get in the middle. Baby, you got me.
Jeb, get in the middle there. Come on, Jeb, get in the middle. I gotta get some guys. You came from DC to see you guys. Come on, get in there.
You're coming in raw, aren't you? I felt that one.
There we go. Hold on. Thanks. Beautiful. Thank you.
Hey, Ron, she really wants a picture with you.
Come in the middle.
Can I get one with the bass player too?
Thank you.
One more. Wait, I want to get one in there. Gorgeous.
Do one more.
Carol.
I have to ask her the last
Come in a little closer.
Thanks so much.
You were an inspiration tonight, I gotta tell you that. What's no, it's the other way around.
So I put my wine back there. Thank you.
You never told me where the wine was. I don't know the name.
Title track with Black Marmalade album.
When you were on
The original Ron.
That's right.
Who was it with?
You guys Skaggs?
I see the tour, but I just think
Just played Alexandria.
77 or 78?
I started the tour in 77. So I was there until 83. So
Could have been any
you
time.
guys sounded the ball. It sounded great to me.
Did you have the big displays of the album?
I did at the time. I did.
You didn't have Pedal 7. That was in the
No. This is New Hampshire. We were probably just 2 or 3 of us. We had about 4 stores. We had one in Kenmore Square in Boston.
What were they called?
They were Music World in Music City. The name of the owner was Holly Ring. And
We did a new song tonight called Hopes and Dreams. That's
who
a single
the rep was. You were on Polygram. RSL. Yeah. Good to see you back. You started really great tonight.
Thank you.
Let's keep going.
We're having fun.
Yeah, it's water balls. Well fun.
See you guys in the business.
Yeah, Mark and our good friends. Mark Burnett, yeah.
Black Hopes and Dreams?
You guys drive carefully. Thanks.
Good to see you guys.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Just terrific. Thank you so much.
Did it for a TV TV show. It's not even out yet. It's on CD Baby and
I loved it.
yeah, it gets a good response. It's very memorable. I think it's it's got a big cross. We just want to get a few more. Hey, Mr. Green! Mr. Green! How you doing, Mr. Green? Where's your buddy?
Hey, everybody in? Everybody in? We don't have any flash. We need flash.
He's right there in the way.
Watch your finger.
I saw him.
High notes in.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Everybody, good to see you. As always.
We should have Andy.
Sorry, it's okay.
All the songs, right? Game of Thrones. I couldn't hear this.
This is the boat. I'm telling you, she was binge watching
I got it.
But yeah, a lot of
I know it's a lot of.
Thank you. All right, it was a great pleasure.
that's perfect.
Fantastic show. Now take her home and.
Peter,
Yeah, now you know he's got to fulfill his needs now. No, I got to fulfill mine now. Thank you, thank you.
You have to move faster.
there we go, gotcha. Okay.
Everybody wanted to be everybody. I was listening to Chicago and stuff like that. I'm saying, Shrek is this something.
We watched every single beat, everyone in your music genius. All of you,
Don't mess with Steve. I'm going to say to myself, watch what Shrek is going to do. I can tell. You're going to explode. And then also,
Fantastic.
Brad's like our best friend, my husband's best friend. He was singing harmony.
I know you're around again in September. We're not going to be able to see you at Mohegan Sun because we're playing that night.
Oh well. Well, you know, I think we're gonna be coming around more. We're starting to pick up more gigs.
We're gonna have them break out the B3.
Looks like it.
Watch it out.
Yeah, we're getting great reaction.
Well, very, very